So welcome to part one of Gaan Sao. We're going to be going through the first half of the form, relatively simple because bear in mind we're going to be adding lots of details as we go, but this should get you started. So Will, Gaan Sao.
Good. Gaan Sao is the block that we use for defending the lower part of our body, right? As opposed to some of the other ones we do up here. It's basically defending from the bottom of your chest down to as far down as your hand can reach. So this is very good against low punches or things like kicks. And the main part of this, I'll show them first. From here is to move your arm across and then cut down to the center using this part of the forearm. Okay, so against my esteemed colleague, like so. I'm going to combine this with a step today because this is how it goes. But for the most part, I want you to learn what you're doing with your arms to start with. I can, of course, combine this with a palm strike, but the main thing is to stop him from hitting me in the stomach. Okay, this also works against a kick, like so. It's the same block defending the same area. Okay.